Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'd like to show you how to set up our mobile video service. The first step is to register the service on our My2N webpage by clicking on Create an Account and filling in your credentials. After you click Sign Up, a confirmation email will be sent to the email address you've provided. You have to confirm the registration by clicking this link. After you've logged in, click on Start My Free Trial. This is the My2N dashboard. From here, you can see the account details, settings, payment information, and are able to add devices. To add an intercom, click on the Step 1 box. Now, if you've got a security card containing the security code and the serial number, you can do everything from My2N. If you don't, then you'll have to copy your My2N ID and paste it into your intercom's web interface by going to System, Auto Provisioning, My2N/TR069. Then click on Save. Synchronization will start automatically. Back in My2N, you'll be asked to approve the intercom. Just click on OK. You can name your intercom according to your preferences. Leave the rest of the settings as they are and click on OK. Synchronization can take some time. Whilst you're waiting for this, you can add your phone by clicking on the Step 2 box. Choose smartphone or tablet. Again, name the device so that you can quickly see who the phone belongs to. You can also choose or create a new user. I'm going to go with the one that I already created during registration. Whichever user you choose will be sent the login credentials to this device via email. The email provides a download links for the application and login credentials. You can also log in from My2N directly, as shown here, either by scanning the barcode or by entering the credentials. Once your phone is logged in and registered, you'll have to assign it to a button in your intercom. Enter a name for the button you'd like to use and add the devices you'd like it to call. You can add several devices to each button. To unlock doors connected to the intercom, be sure to enter the same code that you've already set in the intercom itself. Now both devices are registered and ready to use. From the app, you can view the camera feed without calling. You can also activate locks without calling. Here you can see the intercom calling the app. You can answer the call and open the lock. A new feature in the mobile app we've recently added allows switching between internal and external cameras in the intercom. To use this feature, you need to ensure that the Enable External Camera is ticked in the intercom setting page. A new icon is available at the top right of the screen. Just press it to switch between cameras. This completes our introduction to My2N mobile video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a pleasant experience with 2N products.